Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best vinyl siding hole filler is probably one of the most important products to have on hand for any homeowner with vinyl siding, as it can quickly and easily repair holes and other damage, restoring the beauty and integrity of your home's exterior. This video will review the top vinyl siding hole fillers on the market, comparing their ease of use, durability, color matching capabilities, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect product for your next home improvement project. Number 5. ADFORS FDW9098 U-Wall Filler. Say hello to the all-in-one solution for patching up those pesky holes in your walls. It's easy to use and gets the job done quickly. This innovative filler comes with its own applicator and spreader, making the process incredibly convenient. No need for extra tools. It effortlessly fills holes smaller than 2 inches, scratches, and other imperfections left behind by screws and nails. It's perfect for minor wall repairs. The resealable top ensures that you can use it for multiple repairs, saving you money and reducing waste. It's always ready when you need it. For smaller repairs, sanding isn't necessary, saving you time and effort. Just fill, let it dry, and you're done. This product is designed for interior use to keep your home looking its best. Remember to always follow the instructions for best results. What we like. This product is an all-in-one solution, perfect for small repairs. It's incredibly easy to apply and requires no sanding for smaller holes. If you need a quick, simple fix for minor wall damage, this is the one for you. What people say. This filler has been a fantastic solution for quick wall repairs. This 3-ounce tube is perfect for patching small holes and cracks, making it a go-to for any DIYer. The filler is easy to apply, providing a smooth finish that blends seamlessly with the surrounding wall. It is an all-in-one solution, combining the filler and a putty knife, eliminating the need for additional tools. It can be operated with just one hand. It quickly fills in scratches or other uneven areas on the walls caused by nails or screws. The product features a resealable cap, allowing for multiple uses without wastage. This is definitely one of the best products I've used to patch up small holes in a wall. It isn't messy, matches the paint pretty well and dries quickly. Number 4. Mendyl Vinyl Repair Kit. It can withstand extreme weather, from 40 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Its thin, flexible design allows for easy customization to fit any repair need. You can easily shape it with scissors, no other tools are needed. Just peel, stick, and paint to match your existing siding. Each patch is 612 by 434 inches, big enough for even significant repairs. They're perfect for covering cracks, holes, or blemishes on vinyl or stucco siding. The patches come in a standard white color, making it simple to paint them to match your existing siding. Achieve a seamless, professional-looking repair effortlessly. With its simple peel, stick, and paint application, you can make repairs quickly and easily yourself. No need to hire a contractor. What we like. It's highly durable and can withstand various weather conditions. The large size and customizable nature make it ideal for significant repairs. If you're tackling larger holes or damage and need a long-lasting solution, this is your best bet. What people say. It was easy to use and the repair looks fine. I think it will be durable. The application was easy, although I can't imagine not understanding how to use this. The results were even better on the later applications because I finally remembered to actually feather the paint properly. Purchased after hurricane damaged some siding. Didn't want to replace whole pieces, so gave it a try. Was shocked that it didn't show. Recommend for small holes and gouges for sure. Also very easy to apply. Number 3. Red Devil 0532 Spackling. This versatile spackling compound works wonders inside and outside your home. It's perfect for all your repair needs, big or small. Applying it is a breeze. Just use a putty knife for a smooth, professional finish every time. Once it's cured, it sands down quickly and easily, leaving a perfectly smooth surface for painting. After painting, the repair will be virtually invisible. It seamlessly blends in with your existing surface. Cleanup is a snap. Simply use soap and water. It's that easy. This high-quality Spackling compound is made right here in the USA. You can trust in its quality and performance. What we like. Suitable for both interior and exterior use, it's easy to apply and sand smoothly for a professional finish. If you need a versatile filler that's simple to use and provides a seamless result, this is a great choice. What people say. Loaded in my busted vinyl fence and then sealed it with vinyl tape. Good as new. Tougher, much more waterproof, and a bit more flexible than regular spackle. Very sandyable. Applies easily and sands down smoothly. Paints perfectly. Number 2. Red Devil 0615 Spackling. This versatile Spackling compound works wonders both inside and outside your home. It's perfect for all your repair needs, big or small. Applying it is a breeze. Just use a putty knife for a smooth, professional finish every time. Once it's dry, it sands down quickly and easily, leaving a perfectly smooth surface for painting. After painting, the repair is practically invisible. It seamlessly blends in with your existing surfaces. Cleanup is a snap. Simply use soap and water, no harsh chemicals needed. It's that easy. This high-quality Spackling compound is made right here in the USA. You can trust in its superior quality and performance. What we like. This product is also for interior and exterior use, offering easy application and smooth sanding. The convenient squeeze tube makes application precise. If you value ease of use and a professional finish, this is a great option. What people say. Loaded in my busted vinyl fence and then sealed it with vinyl tape. Good as new. Tougher, much more waterproof, and a bit more flexible than regular spackle. Very sandyable. Applies easily and sands down smoothly. Paints perfectly. Number 1. Stepsaver Vinyl Siding Repair Kit. Say goodbye to unsightly damage on your vinyl siding and fences. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, restoring your home's curb appeal. It's designed for a simple application process. Just peel and stick it to the damaged area, no special tools or skills are needed. Once it's in place, you can easily paint it to match your existing siding. It seamlessly blends in for an invisible repair. The center reinforcement patches add extra strength and durability to the repair, ensuring it lasts for years to come. The unique design of the edges helps it blend seamlessly with the surrounding siding, making the repair virtually invisible. With its simple application, durable construction, and paint-ready finish, it's the perfect solution for all your vinyl siding repair needs. Get yours today. What we like. It's self-adhesive, paintable, and designed for easy application. The reinforcement patches ensure a strong, lasting repair. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution for vinyl siding or fence damage, this is the one. What people say. It's gone through a summer, fall, and winter in the Midwest, Missouri, so it's endured 103-degree heat and -5-degree winters, snow, ice, tornado-like winds, 15 straight days of rain, and this product has held up through it all without any signs of wear and tear. Installed over 6 months ago. Still solidly in place. Easy to install. Keeps water damage from occurring, and saves having to replace hard-to-order corner posts. After painting a few patches in different areas, I went back to see if I needed to touch up. I honestly could not find the first couple patches I painted. It took a lot of searching. If I was looking for them, I would not have seen them. I was very impressed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.